In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Atem Mini to MacBook Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can connect your Atem Mini Pro to a MacBook Pro in various different ways. You can easily do this and use it as a source for many different purposes. I'm going to showcase some of the most popular ones, and you will be able to connect it using the necessary cables. So all that you have to do is first make sure that it has sufficient power. Ensure that the power cable is properly plugged in, and after you know that it is getting sufficient power, you will be able to use the proper cables to get it connected to your MacBook Pro. So the two most common ways to use the Atem Mini are going to be with a USB connection and an HDMI connection, and it's as simple as plugging one end of the cable into the Atem Mini and another one into your MacBook Pro or any other device. As soon as they are properly plugged in, you will be able to use the Atem Mini however you prefer. So the USB connection is going to be primarily used for allowing you to use the Atem Mini as a webcam source for various applications like streaming software, so OBS, StreamYard, video conferencing through Zoom, Google Meet, or through any other recording software. And like I said, it's as simple as plugging one end of a USB cable into the Atem and another end into the MacBook Pro. Now, the other most common type of connection is going to be HDMI. So for this one, once again, plug one end of the cable into the Atem Mini, and then the other one goes into your MacBook Pro or any other device with HDMI capabilities. And as long as you establish this connection, once again, it is going to be available as a source and you can choose it from within any program. The primary purpose to do this is for monitoring the video feed or recording it using capture cards. And it's as simple as plugging the HDMI cable into the Atem and the other end into the MacBook Pro. This is also going to work for any other device that has a USB or HDMI connection, so all that you have to do is use the proper cable and you will be able to get this done on any device, including your MacBook Pro. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Atem Mini to MacBook Pro. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.